How to fix missing photos in Google Photos app. Let's get started. First, check the right account. Open Google Photos. Tap your profile picture. Make sure you are signed into correct Google account that holds your backup. Check Archive or Trash. Navigate to the Collections tab. Now click on the option Archive. Some photos may be hidden here. Likewise, click on the option Trash. Recently deleted photos stay here for 30 days. Now head over to the page Search. Use the search bar to type in locations, objects, or dates. Google Photos uses AI to categorize photos. Next up, verify backup status. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top right. If it says backup is off, turn it on to sync new photos and videos. Check Google storage space. Go to photos.google.com, then settings. If you're out of space, photos won't back up or appear. Lastly, what you want to do is reinstall the app. So close this, press and hold on the Google Photos app. Select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Now head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Google Photos and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for missing photos in Google Photos app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.